All right, a couple more deals this week that I could have done for the week of July 21st to July 27th, or July 20th to July 26th. So it could be the last day of the sale on some of these, but wanted to get them up there. Some of these you can do into next week. So I did this deal again because it came back in a body, and this time I split it up with the laundry stain scrubber and the Carvana washing machine. $329 BOGO, as I mentioned last week, and I used the dollar off and the dollar off hang tag, 75 cents off and 50 cents off for those, making them pennies for those. Another deal you could do, this you could do pretty close into next week. $6.99. There's $2 off this week, but you can still do it next week. Won't be as good of a deal. $6.99 for these, $2 off, as I mentioned, so it comes to $4.99. And then there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, and then Fetch also has $2 off the ultra thin pads. This one I did too, and it actually came off in Fetch, so if you can't find those, you can take your chances to see if this comes out. So these only cost 99 cents each from $6.99. The Morningstar deal I didn't do last week, but I did it just today. So these are regularly $4.79 each. There's a store coupon for $4.79 off, buy one get one free. So I took $4.79 off. And if you get these two, there is a $1.25 Ibotta rebate on each one. And there's also a Publix digital coupon for the burgers, but they actually gave me it. I showed them it because it was over 10 ounces, but it was the nuggets. So luckily they gave it to me, but $4.79 each. They came to around $8.50 minus $4.79 minus $2.50 minus $3.50. $4.70. These came to like 60 cents each on that, so you can do this, still do this deal up until next week. So that's a good one. And also the tenant pad deal you can do next week. So these are regular price, $5.99. But if you look in Ibotta, they have $3 off of each pack. If you get the 20 count, it'll scan for $3 off. And the Checkout 51 has $4 off of 2. So making these, let's see, $5.99. I'm not factoring the tax, which I usually do. I was going over 50 because I had the Save a Lot coupon I used last week, so I got $10 off my total purchase. I had a moneymaker again. Also got the Dr. Praeger burgers, which were in my freezer, and they're magically here now. So these are came back in Ibotta. These are a moneymaker. As if you watched my video last week, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. So these were a moneymaker as well. They came back in Ibotta, so I had to do the deal again. Whenever it's ever a moneymaker, I always do the deal again. You gotta, if you're gonna have a moneymaker. So as I mentioned, we can finish these up. These were $5.99, and you have $3 off and $2 off, $5.99. You know, and then you got a little tax on there. The other thing was the Nature's Bounty jellies, jelly bean vitamins. They are, I saw them at one store. I got to go back to that store and get them because Ibotta has $14.99 off of each one. You'll find them on clearance. So maybe if you get lucky, you find those on clearance, but I'll have them. So once again, you know, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, trying to build the channel up. But just a few more deals for you guys that you can run out and do today or tomorrow if you're down south. You know, check to see if your Ibotta rebate came back for these. Check my other video to see that deal, and I got a breakdown below of these deals. And you can do this deal this week. You can do this deal again this week if you didn't. A couple more days, and then this you can do till Friday, and this deal you can do till the Checkout 51 and Ibotta runs out. And then the jelly bean, Nature's Bounty jelly beans. They're regularly like $15. They should be on clearance for $7.49, and then Ibotta has $14.99 back on both of them. So check your Ibotta if you have that, and check the clearance rack because I've seen them on the clearance rack. So once again, had a moneymaker, and I'll be back at it on Thursday. And once again, enjoy your coupon and get these deals if you haven't watched my other video here on the other deals.